city, state, or country. We're just kind of doing an impromptu live stream here in the studio. So what I'm about to do right now is actually add hand embellishments to this canvas print of Juice WRLD. So normally I'm painting original paintings on here. The original to this painting was created for the Juice WRLD Sometimes music video. If you go check it out, you'll see the original. We've created a canvas print of it, and so we want to elevate it. I want to turn it into, make it go from a reproduction or a print and turn it into an original. So we're just going to be adding some embellishments to this. Very different in about 15 minutes. So it's how long it'll usually takes, sometimes longer. We're going to extend this little light gray over here. By the way, those of you who are interested in things like this, you can always send me a text or a DM. Text me at 916-866-8101. Using some brushes now. So again, we are embellishing this canvas print. We're making it go from a reproduction to a one-of-one. So originally, when I did the original for this painting, it was done for a series of videos we did for the Juice WRLD team for the latest album. Wasn't really sure how they're going to use it, and eventually they used it for the Sometimes music video. So with this, I'm basically going over this and adding the texture, giving some texture and depth to each brush stroke. So I made the original, made it into a canvas print, and now we're going to elevate it, make it more of an original by adding these layers of color. So the collector for this will have something that is extremely unique, one of one, and it's only got the imprint for them. The cool thing about this is I can add colors that I didn't do in the original, which is fun, like this. So there's this turquoise color that sort of goes between the blue and the green. Just add these. I think that's the most fun part about doing the hand embellishments on these canvas prints, is I get to make it new. I get to do things that I wish I did when I did it live. If you're just joining us, let us know. Let me know where you're watching from. We'd love to shout you out. I'm gonna check on the comments in just a little bit. So also another plus to doing these is I did the original brush strokes, so I know what techniques I did to achieve that, and I know exactly how to put this texture on to blend it in a way that you still feel like the original. But this is one of my favorite ones from this whole series. All right, let's keep moving. We go to our purple. All right, I like this. Let's keep this going. I'm going to go to this gray over here. Darken the gray just a bit. So I want to extend the image up off of the canvas as well, because I don't want a hard line. I want this collector that gets this, I want them to have something that really feels as close as possible to the original. Artists, I hope you're taking notes about how to just extend the options that you have for your art. Originals is literally only one small percentage. Actually, I wouldn't say small, it's 1% based on a whole bunch of other ways to monetize your art. So I want to get those similar brush strokes in that I got in the original. I want to go back to some of the warm colors. We're going to mix some of the yellow and the pink. Again, the audio is always the biggest challenge, but I just want to make art for you, so I will do what I can to help out. So I'm going to take this yellow and pink, mix it together. Again, I'm adding these colors that I wish I did in the original. And when the collector for this, whoever it ends up being, will have an image that feels and looks just like an original, actually becomes an original, yet they paid like a fraction of the price of an original. Usually the originals like this, when they're this size, are usually around 7,000 to 10,000 US. So this is like, this being at 1,000 is one of the most amazing prices and the closest you can get to an original at that price. And really, it's just another creative way to monetize your art while also serving the collector's needs as well. All right, let's go back to going back and forth between yellow and orange. Let's water down this paint. When I water it down, it helps the paint fly a little bit further so I can stand back. I get those little tiny drops that I love. Actually, I'm gonna switch up the brush so I can really fine tune these embellishments. Those of you just joining us, welcome. By the way, I said it before, I'll say it again, the best way to support these live streams is to share it. That's all it is. Just hit the share button, and it's a huge, huge help to these channels that we broadcast to. There's like a straight mark, it looks like the end of the print, so I want to blend that. So the collector has something that really feels original. Add a little bit more of that green. Let's just add a little drip like that. Add some more to this movement over here. Take that green, lift it up. By the way, I am gonna go live again today. I've got a couple things that I'm gonna paint. And so we're just gonna hit the live button and just kind of bring you along on like a regular day here in the studio. It's just putting canvas up here or putting these canvas prints up here, whatever it is, sort of a normal day here in the studio. We're gonna now shift to the white. I wanna give some white glow, some highlights. Shake this up really good. I gotta shake that a little better. Here we go. So with this color theory, I was really using the warm colors to hit the highlights, cool colors in the midtones and shadows. Let's also extend this glow from the eyes. There we go. So I'm putting a little highlight on that, the tear. Again, these are things that were not in the original, but because I'm doing this later, I can add those details. Let's add a little bit more glow on that cheek. All right, now that we added the highlights, let's get some more depth with the black. We're gonna come in, put that down right there. If you're just joining us, I love these live streams because you don't have to you just kind of go live anytime. Even though I think we've done officially 91 of the Paint Life live streams. We still have a bunch of these other ones like this. Just go live just for fun, just to share the process. And artists, as you should take advantage of the fact that you can broadcast anytime to anyone in the world. If there's 8 people watching, if there's 7 people, I don't care. I don't need, it doesn't change what I'm doing here based on the amount of people that are watching. I'm just grateful for whoever takes the time to watch this. Just adding some more texture lines. Really getting to the details of this, things that I couldn't do in the original, but we're gonna do it right now. This. All right, so we're trying to find a balance to add it. Well, as I'm adding the embellishments to the canvas print, trying to find the balance of enhancing it and also not taking away from it as well. So I'm gonna ditch this, and let's go to. I love this pink. Let's see if any will come out. There we go. Gotta need to clean up this border. By the way, we also print all of these in-house. So under this roof in this studio, we have our sort of a small printing lab, but it does print these large scale images. So all the prints that are on my site, we do them all here in-house in my studio in Sacramento, California. It was definitely an investment, but it allows me to give you guys the art at a more affordable price as well. So I will roll the dice on that. Yes. All right. I'm gonna add some color in some of these shadow areas. Mist. By the way, this is one of my favorite colors. It's like a fluorescent pink. All right, I'm gonna switch back to that green. I wanna make sure that that green blends well up in the top right. There we go. Anywhere I see like I don't know, any part that feels like it's still digital, I'm trying to paint over that so it just feels more like paint, feels more like an original. These are all the little details that you don't appreciate it now in the moment, but later on when you're like staring at this thing, these are the little parts that you start to see over and over again. Oh man, I did not see that before. You can also DM me for details specifically about this. So that's it. We just created this hand-embellished canvas print of the Juice WRLD image inspired by Sometimes. I did the original, turned the canvas print, and now this is an original. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys.